Posting an image on Reddit is simple, and here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open the Reddit application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Make sure that you're in a subreddit that permits image postings, as some may have restrictions or require specific formats. So choose the appropriate subreddit if you would like. Click on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen that is indicating create. Enter a title. And if you want to upload an image, tap on this image icon that is between the link and video option. Tap on it. Select the photo you want to share. And then click on next in the top. Now enter a title if you like. You can also include the body text. And then after, select a community from the top. Make sure that you select a community that allows images. Go through the rules and regulations. And once you're ready, click on post to share your image. Your image will be posted, allowing users to comment and vote on it. Also check the subreddit rules for specific image requirements. And ensure that your image meets Reddit's recommended size limit, typically under 20 MB for optimal display. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.